So I touched a little bit on this before. This is top tip number 8. This is about colour. So knowing where your colour comes from will help you control it and make it do what you want it to do. So for instance, if you know that green comes from blue and yellow, you can decide how you're going to alter that colour by choosing which way you're going to go with it. So do you want a more sort of tealy green or a turquoisey green? If that's the case, you think about adding some blue into it. If you wanted a more limey, zesty, fresh green, then you'd go the other way on the spectrum and you'd add more yellow into it. So it's knowing a little bit about colour will help you to control the effects and the colours that you're achieving in your work. So also knowing about putting colour on top of itself. So layers, for instance, that are blue, and then you're trying to put some sort of yellow on top of it, you will get a greeny effect. So knowing a little bit about what colour does before you try to do something, you almost have to plan it out a little bit where your colour is going to go on the page and what you need to do to achieve those certain colours. So have a little think about colour. It's a great thing to sort of forward plan a little bit in your work.